video I'm going to show you how the My Easy Garden hydro system works. This is a 2 foot 5 inch unit, and I've had this for a couple years now, so I just cleaned it and I'm going to show you all the parts and put it back together for you and show you how this thing works. Everything that comes with the hydro system, you're going to have your pump right here. Has little suction cups on the bottom so it can stick to the bottom end of the reservoir. Here is just a little lever to adjust the height of the water, the pressure coming out of there. You have the plumbing system, which the water is going to come up through this and spurt out of that. That connects in. It's a little grimy, but I've had it for a while. This is a center locator ring that we put at the top. I'll show you what we did with that. This is just the cap. This is the unit here, and this is also the lid of the reservoir with some holes, so if any water comes out of here, it'll go down these holes. And then here's the net cups that will go into these different slots, and the reservoir, it's been used. You'll notice a little cutout right here for the cord for this to come out the side, and you'll also notice a little notch cut at the base for the cord to come out there, because this will be going over, this system will be going over the pump, so the pump will be right in there. But I'll show you how I put it all together. It's really simple. First thing I'll do is I'll take the pump and I'm gonna put it inside of the reservoir, and I just kind of get it right in the middle, and it suctions on, so it kind of stays there pretty easy. The cords come out the side right here, and I'll show you the My Easy Garden system. And let's see here, I'm looking for the notch because I want to make sure that notch goes over the cord. Get that in there, and just you're gonna clamp this down. So I'll get that clamped down and we'll get in there. This is all secure. The pump's in there, the cord's coming out the side, and next thing we'll do, we'll take the plumbing and we're going to feed it down in there and line it up with the right on top of the pump that's in there. And you just got it, you can eyeball it, get it right in there and stick it down, and it will lock. And then you'll see how this thing kind of falls off to the side like that. So that's what we do with this ring right here that we had custom made. Basically just put it right on top here. And now this comes right out the top. You're gonna line up these little holes right here with the slots, so the water, when the water comes up, it's gonna come down and trickle right through here, through here, through here, back down inside and recycle. I'll come down through here, here, and recycle. So next thing you do is take the cap, put that on, and then you got your net cup. So you're gonna put the plants that you wanna grow once you get some sprouts. You're gonna stuff them in there, and I'll show you that in another video. And you just stick them in. Boom. So after that, you just put some water in the reservoir, and I'll show you how you do that right now. You can fill the water in, take your hose, and I'll fill this up. Fill it right up to the top. Almost fill to the top of the bucket, and you can see it's filling in, it's overflowing, so that's good. So I got it plugged in, and now I have water trickling down. That's where your plants would be, right there. Water trickling down in every one of these little slots. So your plants will get all the water, and then you're gonna want to put nutrients in there as well, and that's another video. So some other things you can do with this is you could put a timer and then plug this into a timer. That way you're not running the water all day. You don't need it to run all day. And that's also another video. But this is how you put it together and get it running. So I just need some starters to put in there, which I'm working on that right now.